Let's talk calamari for a second. So, you know, this is what squid looks like, okay? And they're actually very easy to clean. Now, basically, you separate the head from the body, okay? We're gonna cut where the tentacles meet the eye. You just have the head, so to speak, but it's just basically the tentacles, all right? And then with the body, what you wanna do is actually peel it, and the skin comes right off. When people are frying calamari, very often you'll see them, you know, cut these into rings like this, okay? But what I'm going to do is actually, I'm just going to make a slice like this and open it up so it's like a calamari steak. I score it with a knife so it doesn't actually shrivel up. Okay, and there's our calamari. What we're gonna do is make a very quick marinade for both the squid and the calamari. We're gonna use some lemon juice and some olive oil. And I think we need some garlic for this too, definitely. Okay, I just kind of like to beat up the garlic with my knife a little bit, and then take some kosher salt, and then just kind of crush it with the side of my knife. So garlic, lemon juice, olive oil. All right, we're gonna put some of the shrimp and the squid right in here. Just let it sit there for a couple of minutes. Not a long time. We don't want to marinate the fish for too long because then it actually breaks down its texture. All right, so we have some of the shrimp, and then we're gonna also take some of the calamari. And then we have the squid steak, so to speak. Let's go to the grill. Okay, we have a nice hot grill here, and we're gonna put the shrimp right next to the shrimp. Everybody's gonna have their own department. Then we're gonna take our squid heads, and then our squid steaks. And be careful, you just wanna lay these on very carefully. Okay, well, the shrimp are probably gonna take about 2.5 minutes on each side. Okay, they're pretty thick, and we want them to be cooked all the way through. The squid heads are probably gonna take about maybe 30 seconds on each side, and the squid steak, so to speak, will probably take about 10 to 15 seconds on each side, and they go very quickly. We'll take a look at our shrimp. You see how beautiful they are? All right, so we're gonna take, these squid steaks are done. Okay, these are ready. All right, now we can plate this beautiful salad here. We're gonna leave it right on the skewers. There's lots of squid, lots of shrimp. And let's just grill a couple of lemons. Straight onto the grill. All right, so while those lemons are cooking, we can take our beautiful smoked tomato and black olive relish and kind of just drop it right on top of our shellfish here. And then we're just gonna take a little bit of Greek olive oil. So we got our grilled lemons. And I just take one and I just kind of squeeze it right on top of the, oh, this is amazing.